Hello guys, welcome back to another beautiful lovely video of this watch. This watch is from Fossil. Before we start to discuss about the details of this watch, just see couple of glimpses and shots of this watch. This watch is really amazing. The kind of color combinations they have given in this watch is beautiful, lovely. Just enjoy these shots, then we will get into brief details, not a lot. So this video is basically all about to give you an idea how it is going to look, and you can have some couple of close shots. So this is how this box is. So all the Fossil watch comes in this tin box, and this is how it looks once you open the box. This dark blue leather strap and this rose gold ring is the entire watch, which is in rose gold color, and the rivets which are there to attach with the leather strap, they look stunning. They look really good, beautiful, and they look really sophisticated. So this is all in all, as if you see as compared to other women's watches, so this is slightly thicker as compared to other watches, but yes, it looks really good. So here we go with couple of product details. So you can just pause or you can take a screenshot. These details are everywhere available on the internet. I will also put a picture of this price tag in end of this video. You can just have a look on the style code and the pricing. So the price is somewhere around 10,995. So this is how it is. This is easily available on internet or in offline stores. I would suggest to go to offline store to get the watch, because there are a lot of fake watches available in the market. Just to make sure that you, even if you need to pay a couple of hundreds or thousands extra, I would suggest you to go to a genuine store and get the product, because you never know, when you take it online, you end up getting a fake product. It feels bad once you get a fake product. These are few couple of more shots. So this video, I have taken a lot of shots of this watch, so that you can get an idea how it is going to look on your wrist, and whether it will really look good to you, means once you wear it. Just have a look. I will also try to put it on my wrist to give you an idea how it is going to look. So I bought this watch for my wife, and I do not have any picture right now to put it on this video, how it is going to look on female wrist. Basically, I'll try to put it on my wrist and try to show you how it is. So this strap what you get in this watch is a genuine leather strap. The style code is ES33838 for this watch. Means if you want to check it online, you can check with this code, or you can, when if you want to go to a shop, you can take a screenshot of this watch, or you can directly go with this code. They will Fossil store will help you get this watch. The look and appeal of this watch is really good. It's really awesome. So this is how it looks. I'm wearing both the watches next to each other. So my watch is somewhere around 44 watch, and I'm not sure how this other watch is, what is the size of this other watch, but this is just to give you an idea how it is going to look on your wrist, and you can have a fair idea. This is how it is going to look. Means I have removed my watch, and this is how it is looking. You can just have a look on the thickness, how thick it is, means as in dial, how thick dial is, and it's slightly bigger, but then it gives you a very bold, and it actually gives a statement when you wear it. So it's a classy thing, and it is not a normal regular watch what you wear. So, and the best part is this goes with a lot of dress combinations, whatever you wear, so you can match it with a lot of combinations. So this is the product tag. Thank you for watching guys, stay safe, thanks.